Are you interested in knowing what makes the video viral on YouTube? Here in this video, we are going to cover the agenda, how YouTube virality actually works, viral content framework step by step, case study by MrBeast, short and hands-on viral video formula, mistake tools, and final action plan that makes video successful on YouTube. Whenever we started YouTube, we always think that one of our videos should become viral. But listen, it doesn't work like that. Truth about virality is viral is engineered. Virality is engineered, it's not accidental. Audience behavior controls the algorithm. Retention plus CTR is equal to reach. Now we'll go to a very important topic, that is YouTube algorithm. What is CTR? CTR is click-through rate. CTR is calculated number of clicks divided by number of impression into 100. High CTR means that your video is going very well. For that you need to make thumbnails like this. That works where everything is clear. High CTR use bold colors, clear faces with emotion, and simple texts. Now we'll go for another topic, that is audience retention. How long people watches your channel. Whenever you make a video, you make with a lot of efforts. If the hook is not clear in first 10 to 15 seconds, audience retention is not going to be possible. We have to work on creating a right hook. For that, how to analyze? You have to go to YouTube Studio where you can see how your video is doing. If there is a dip, generally that happens, then we have to rectify the video pattern. Engagement, like and shares and comments. It is very important that how many people are liking your video, how many people are commenting about it, and how many people are sharing your videos. That makes video viral. Satisfaction, would they watch again? So we need to create a nice hook story that brings people again and again back to your channel. This is how you increase the number of watch time and people loves your video. Now one very important topic is viral video framework, in which we will cover hook 0 to 10 seconds, grab attention immediately, build curiosity, deliver the value, end with satisfaction. Crafting a viral hook. Crafting a viral hook is really a cool thing to do. You should always start with a video with a result rather than putting your intro in YouTube. Use socks, curiosity, or emotion. Example, I spent 30 days doing this work. Never say, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we'll see the case study of a viral man. That channel is MrBeast. Extreme challenges with a clear stake. So pays off in the first 5 seconds. Simple language, fast pacing, retention focus editing every second. New transitions, new look, everything given by MrBeast. So that's why MrBeast is the long form virality. MrBeast hold a multiple world record, in which highest earning YouTuber, largest vegetarian burger, and the most subscriber for an individual man. YouTube saw hooks in a first 1 or 2 minutes, one idea video only, loop ending, increase replays, high volume testing, and it results on a faster growth. That's why whenever you are putting a shorts on a YouTube, you will get a lot of subscribers ending up to your channel if you know how to upload the YouTube shorts. So guys, there is a hack how you can upload a great YouTube shorts to get the video retention. Now next we'll discuss about title and the thumbnail. Title and the thumbnail is a very important part in YouTube video. Thumbnail must create curiosity. Titles should raise a question. Avoid keyword stuffing. Designed for mobile first viewers. Viewers click these thumbnails seeing they want to check, they want to experience whatever curiosity they have about these videos, and these videos thumbnail explain everything nicely. Great thumbnail increases the CTR for the video. Now, the another good thing is the retention boosting technique. In retention boosting technique, patterns break every 10 seconds. Feel yourself in a room where you are going through a lot of videos. You have to change a lot of visual sound effects. Zoom, tease what is coming next. Cut 20% of your content first reviewing your video response. Copying viral videos. This is what a common mistake a lot of people used to do. You should not copy viral videos blindly. Weak hooks and slow start. Ignoring the analytics. If your analytics suggest you to post the videos at 8 p.m., you should always do it. Make a uploading process where you follow the analytics and put everything. Recommendation of certain tools. There are certain tools that are great for YouTube, like YouTube Studio, Canva for making thumbnails, for SEO, TubeBuddy and VidIQ, and CapCut and Premiere Pro for editing those videos. 30 days viral action plan. Study top 10 videos in your niche. Write 10 strong hook. Upload consistently. 2 to 3 videos per week is mandatory if you want your video to become a viral. Double down on what you work. Think like a viewer, not a creator. Test fast, fail fast, learn faster. Your next video could be the one that become viral. So this is my small presentation about the viral videos on YouTube. After all, we are on YouTube to make money, so we have to concentrate on making it. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.
रेडी हो फ्यूचर की ये देखो ना, टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे पूरी दुनिया को बदल रही है। ये हमारा एक नया सफर है जिसमें हर कदम इनोवेशन की तरफ है। ये है टेक ज्ञान प्रो, आपका फ्यूचर टेक पार्टनर। तो चलो जुड़ते हैं इस डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन में।